I know that some of you are not as good as me as crafting, but hey, you can try! Hello, since when are you good at this? Well guys, to be honest, I just made and sell some invitation cards and personalized envelopes, and I think I made that when I was about 16 years old, but anyway, I managed to sell them and of course make some extra money. But if you think that this video is absolutely not for you because you can sew or paint or anything else, so it's nothing for you here, well, you should stick around because in today's video I will show you, I think there are 10 or 15 things that you can make at home and of course sell for money. I tried to find some of the easiest ones that don't require any painting or sewing skills, but if you're good at this, you probably are already making some crafts and sell them for money, right? So let's start. And if you want to do this, well, stick around because I will also show you how to sell your items, where to sell them, and I will give you some online and offline options. Let's go. Oh, I'm sorry, I keep doing this, but there are just a few things that pop up into my mind and I have to tell you about them as well. So you can basically learn how to do these crafts because there are so many free tutorials on the internet, and I will show you only the easiest things that you can do and sell. The first one is fabric covered pots. These are some cute pots that you can make easily by using only scarf fabric. The second one, rope bowls. These things look expensive and hard to make, but you would be surprised how easy you can make them with only rope and a glue gun. Number 3, nail polish paintings. Let me see if I can find a picture because I want to show you something. So here's the picture. I don't know if you can see it here, but anyway, I will put a picture here somewhere on the screen, and you can do these paintings using nail polish, water and black canvas. Trust me, these things can be sold very well because hey, who doesn't love art? The next one, bath bombs. I think you will love this because you can go anywhere with your imagination, and if you think it's very difficult to make them, it's not as difficult as soap. You can include any kind of jewelry inside or treats or whatever you want, and they are just the perfect gift idea. The number 5 is homemade dog treats. I know this can easily turn into a very profitable business, but hey, that's the point. Once you will get some clients that love to know what their pets are eating, you will have those clients forever. And you can expand your area by creating toys and clothes for dogs, and why not for cats as well. The list could go on forever because there are so many things that you can do and sell for money, but my list is not done yet, so here are a few things that you can make and sell for money, and they are just as easy as the first ones. So decorative dishes, cups, glasses, soap, candles, picture frames, natural cosmetics. You can start with only one and see how it works. And maybe you are already doing this for yourself and you don't even realize that you could sell that hair mask that you are making for yourself. Other things that I love seeing and buying are wooden things. For example, you can make personalized cutting boards or any kind of other dishes for the kitchen and so on. Okay guys, now that you are hopefully inspired by the items I just showed you, let's see how you can sell these items to be as profitable as possible. So talking about the price, you want to make sure that you sell your items for profit, but you also have to make sure that you don't overprice them. Another important thing that you want to do since the beginning is to try to brand your products. You want to put your name on your product or website or logo or whatever you have. The next thing that is very important is to not forget about holidays. So if you are crafting some things and if you're watching this video near Christmas, for example, you have to spend some extra time and make seasonal product. It can be the same exact product that you do for all the year, but for Christmas or other holidays, I don't know why Christmas is coming to my mind right now, but anyway, So for Christmas, you want to go more specific. Now that everything is ready, you may ask where to sell these items. You can start, and you should consider this, by posting everything you made on your Facebook profile, but don't forget about the price. Of course, you can consider marketplace on Facebook or groups or any kind of social media platforms. Another very important thing if you're going to post your products on social media is that you have to make sure people know how to reach you and order those products from you. Now let's see some online places where you can sell your items, and I just wanted to skip Etsy because you probably already know it, but if you don't, you should consider it and it should be on your first list. So besides Etsy, you can go and sell your stuff on eftkra.com. If you want to become an Eftkra seller, you should know that your products must be handcrafted in the USA. They also don't accept vintage goods, manufactured products, reselling of products that are not created by the shop owner, and of course you will have to be careful with the copyright infringement. Another website where you can sell is artfire.com. As you can see, you can sell handmade goods, vintage or craft supplies, but here there are some fees. They have some plans that you can choose, for example this one $4.95, $20 or $40 per month. Another opportunity would be to sell your handmade products on Amazon. So you can create your shop and list products for free, but when you make a sale, they will get 15% referral fee. Another good thing is that during registration you will have to register as a professional selling plan that provides you with handmade specific tools and support to grow your business. Usually the professional selling plan costs $39 and $99 per month, but this monthly fee is waived for handmade artisans. Another website where you can sell is handmadeartists.com. On this website there are no hidden fees. Of course, there are no hidden fees on the others as well, but here as well you will have to pick a plan that starts at $5 per month. Another one is iCraft.com. You will have a $25 registration fee that is non-refundable, and then you will have some monthly fees. You can go for the $15 per month or $12 per month if you go for 6 months or 12 months package, $10 per month. Okay guys, if you're scared by the fees, you should know that you can create your own e-commerce store, and there are a few ways that you can promote and sell your stuff for free. Or better yet, you can create a blog and share your products and also your ideas, and also you may want to show others how to make your products. And when I say blog, it's something that just can bring you some extra income. Now of course you can go offline too, but you should definitely consider the online area. So offline you can sell your products at craft fairs, bazaars, local events that accept vendors, and the best part here is that you will be able to showcase your products directly to the buyers. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if so, don't forget to like it and subscribe and turn on the notifications, and of course leave a comment if you want to know more about crafting items and sell them, or if you are already doing this. So that was it. I wish you a wonderful day and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.